Radio City Center Stage.
Atul, sir, why don't you first tell us about what do you do and how you set up this branch and what is your business all about?
Our business is on demand products. So we
Okay.
started as a stationery company, uh,
Hanji.
and now we have ventured into wall coverings, food papers,
Hmm.
paper for restaurants,
Hmm.
and some other useful stuffs for the home and office uses. So the story starts like when I was 18-year-old. I
Mm-hmm.
was the first year of college, and my father was an intelligent man. He was a strict man. You know
Hmm.
the Aadhe plus कानून लोग होते and he gifted me a brand new luxury car on my 18th birthday to go to the college. And I
He
was,
did.
yeah, yeah, he did. And I was
Ah,
very, but थोड़े दिन बाद मुझे पता लगा that car was just a trap to ensure that I reach the shop before lunchtime and
ah.
and stay there till afternoon and evening and learn the business from him. So I used to go to college, and then in the afternoon would travel to my shop and have lunch
Hmm.
with my father and work
Learn
at
the
the
business.
shop. So I graduated in this way. So during this time, I made an observation that if I continue to stay in this country, I would be subjected to no fun, nothing, because all my friends were having a lot of fun, and I was being called to the shop in the afternoon and evening, and morning classes होती थी तो बड़ा
कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते थे. हाँ.
फंस गया एकदम. So I made a decision that I will go abroad for further studies.
Smart.
So
हाँ.
करने को क्या होगा, फिर मैंने पापा को परमिशन के लिए अप्लाई किया कि आई नीड योर परमिशन टू गो आउट.
हाँ.
And of course the permission denied.
अयो.
And
हाँ.
and the family melodramatized me into staying here and everything. So after college I was full time into the business,
हाँ.
and then I made an observation again. So this time the observation was related to business.
हाँ.
So I observed that the retailers that used to come to our wholesale stationery shop in Chowdi Bazaar were particularly asking for specific brands. I mean, we
Okay.
used to have the alternatives from the local market who were way cheaper, but the retailers always insisting on having that particular brand, and they were ready to pay a higher price for that.
Hmm.
So this observation, I got to think that why they are asking for a brand, although they can have a higher profit in something which is the similar application product, which
Hmm.
delivers a similar result.
Hmm.
So I decided again that
हाँ.
we will make a company and we will create a trustworthy web brand like
Okay.
this.
This
So
was
I
allowed.
so this was this was I applied for the permission again, and
हाँ.
it was granted. So
Smart. हाँ.
my first office was in the basement and the garage of my home,
Hmm.
and I was given some staff, a lot of finance, so there was not a problem. So my father has been very supportive in that way.
हाँ.
So so he asked me, what kind of products are you going to make? I said we are into the stationery business, and stationery is a useful category. So we will not only restrict ourselves to the stationery, but we will make useful products. We will say that we are a product, we are a company who makes useful products, useful life hacks and products which are helpful in your day-to-day work.
Hmm.
So it's okay, fine. What is going to be the name of it? So we
Hmm.
toyed with lot of name, Billu, Pinky, Champak, Pigpoo, all kinds of name we thought. But at the end we said, okay, this is these kind of products are on demand. So why don't
Yeah.
we put on demand as our product?
Hmm.
So my father said, okay, fine, but if you say on demand page marker for your notebooks, it may not sound so good.
हाँ.
So I said, okay, let's do it OD, on demand OD.
हाँ.
So this is how the Audi brand was born. We made it ODDY Audi from on
हाँ.
demand. And my entrepreneurship career started in year 2000 with the basement and Audi brand and a supportive father.
You moved away from the basement, I'm hoping. I'm quite sure.
Yeah. So the basement is now having table tennis table. So now it's a different thing now.
I love offices with tennis tables. I smart thing also because whether you're talking about stationery products, whether you're talking about food products and food paper products, etc. ये वो वाली चीजें जिनकी कभी भी डिमांड खत्म नहीं होगी.
Yeah.
Everybody will constantly need it. So it's the smartest business move to make. But sorry, baat batao, jab aapne, you set up the business, you started doing your own entrepreneurship, and you wanted to, obviously, a young boy wanted to prove himself. Biggest mistake you did that you still are like, nahi karni chahiye thi, but okay, it taught me a lesson. Was there like a leadership mistake or something?
This is a long, long, long list. So many
Oh, that
mistakes.
will. Acha.
So we make so many products every year. Products keep on getting obsolete. Like I give you an example. We used to make STD PCO rolls in 2000. STD
Oh,
PCO, only thing, there was no mobile communication, very less mobile communication.
huh.
So I invested heavily into those machines.
Ah,
And
and
then
the
in
technology
2005,
just.
the business dynamics entirely changed.
Huh.
So I was very hopeful of the notebook business. I invested a good fortune, and we set up a factory in the tax holiday zone in Baddi in 2003-4. It when
Huh.
this zone was coming in. So that was
Huh.
also a mistake. And similarly, the giant from the business giant ITC group, they launched their own notebooks, and the business got shattered. And we were it was a better decision for us not to operate that factory. So all those such kind of mistakes we made, and but still the journey was good. We have registered growth every year.
Hmm.
So, and now we are 100 crore brand from starting from zero. So
The
so there's
100 crore
so
brand sounds very, very nice. And entrepreneurs होते हैं, businessmen होते हैं. You're very busy in your day-to-day life, right? There is very little time to sit back and think because it's always about work. Then, of course, Corona came in. And the first 3 months, at least the first 3 months, I think everybody took a back seat. So, sir, in the last 6 months, do you think that you've changed, or there is a certain thought process that you've changed, or you've sat back and sort of, like taken in everything? Okay, how we grew, how much we're growing. Is there something that's come through that you didn't have time to think about, Pele, and have changed now?
a lot of things have changed actually,
Mm-hmm.
except that still we don't have time to think and retrospect. But
Huh.
a lot of things have changed, like the online meetings, uh, paying online,
Hmm.
showing your product demos online, making an e-brochure, sending through WhatsApp, selling on WhatsApp,
Hmm.
communicating, work from home, all those things have become a reality. And I think
Hmm.
they are going to.
They're going to
So,
stay.
as the lockdown started, it was a different situation where you were subjected to in just one day.
Hmm.
You were asked to be in a different way. Peace before Corona and after Corona was only a 1 day transition. So to
Actually,
figure out,
5 hours.
yeah.
Technically,
So
5 hours. Yeah.
it took us some time to keep. We have to work really very hard to
Hmm.
come together, to bring our act together, to give everyone the work from home, what who is to be done, who would be doing what, and how we are going to keep track, and how we are going to distribute the server, how we're going to send the laptops to the people who don't have it. So
Hmm.
all those things, so that kept us very, very busy. But this shows us that we have this gave me a real good insight that such a brilliant team that I have. All the team members, they
Hmm.
performed so well,
Hmm.
and there was no Sunday in the lockdown period.
Hmm.
Everybody was working virtually every time.
Right. Throughout the day. Yeah.
So, throughout the day, on Sundays, on no weekends, nothing. So there are some people in my organization who take Saturday, Sunday both off. So everyone was working all 7 days.
Hmm.
So it's been a real interesting journey through these times.
I have to say this. I agree completely. I think the lockdown also showed us the resilience of human spirit.
Yeah.
That initially everybody thought कि चलो सब कुछ बंद हो गया है, and then how we all came to terms. I think everybody's grown so much during that point in time. I hope
Yeah,
that you're giving the weekends off now, though.
we started doing the domestic work also.
Ha. Hmm.
Right from the kids to everyone, even my father, he was also getting involved in the kitchen. So everyone from the children to people who have never done it, the work in home, everyone was sitting on a different side altogether. So
I
I
think
would
that
say
was
lockdown period has been a busy days for everyone.
सर
Near
3 चीजें जो घर की आपने करी जो आपने कभी नहीं करी थी, सच्ची सच्ची बताना.
to
बता दो आज.
एक तो मैंने बच्चों के ऊपर कभी बॉसिंग नहीं की थी, जो कि मुझे करनी पड़ी क्योंकि वो सारे दिन घर में होते थे और घर के इतने सारे काम बाकी होते थे। कह रहे
हाँ,
यार प्रेस कर ले भाई, प्लीज प्लीज प्रेस कर ले यार, उसको प्रेस करनी सिखाई। सो इट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग कि
हाँ,
बच्चों को घर के काम करने सिखाए जो मैं खुद भूल चुका। सो
हाँ।
इट वाज सो फनी दैट कि मैं उनको प्रेस करना सिखा रहा हूँ और मेरी वाइफ मेरे से कह रही है तुम तो पहले से ठीक से कर लो, उसको गलत जगह से
हाय
कर
हाय,
रहे
सबके समझ में।
हो।
हाँ,
And you asked me three things. So, but cooking is I've never done cooking in my life, but I'm a good taster. I can taste food very well. So
that's a very good job, sir. That's a very cushy job. This whole taste of business.
so uh, so I was asked to stay near the kitchen because they were all everyone the kids and the family and
Everybody's
everyone
cooking.
was
Yeah.
cooking, and I was the one who was asked not to eat anything because I have to taste.
How
Uh,
lovely. हाँ, that's a good job to do. Sir,
yeah,
झाड़ू पोछा एक दिन तो
I ordered it all the times.
this is an achievement, sir, that everybody wants to learn. How did you manage? But sir, how have things now come after the lockdown? Offices have opened to a certain extent. We do know that we're looking at a slightly uncertain future. How did the business do? Are you going to now look at more online stuff? How does that impact teams?
And the business is 50% down
Mm-hmm.
still after everything. But what I miss about the before Corona and now period is that I am a person who believes in more of relationship with my team, with my channel partners. So I miss meeting them frequently. So if I don't meet them, I don't feel a satisfaction that we have actually done something today. So
Exactly.
शाम को ना every day थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है यार कुछ मिसिंग है। तो जो पहले हम लोगों से मिलके बात करके साथ में बैठ के थोड़े से क्या होता काम भी करते जोक्स भी करते थे तो एक सेटिस्फेक्शन होता था, तो वो दैट एलिमेंट इज टोटली मिसिंग।
Mm.
बट efficiency wise I would say the efficiency is far higher by using those techs and gadgets. The meetings जो हम लोग अब ऑनलाइन करते हैं उसके अंदर we are able to screen share and work, and all the data is together synced. Google Drive is so helpful. So using the technology into the business, the corona has actually speed up this process of learning for everyone. It has actually in my organization there are few people who are at the matured age who don't want to actually learn the computer at this time, but
Mm. They've
forcefully
had to.
they are working on Google Drives and they are working brilliantly on that.
Mm.
So because they have the skills, they have the technical skills, just they needed to learn the computer, which they did, they had to. So
Mm.
the results are phenomenal, and
Mm.
I would say that this is the reality now. It will stay because whatever we have learned, whatever the way we have adopted, if it is convenient, it has to stay. It will stay. If
Also more effective.
it is more effective actually, we used to send salespeople all across the country to give the demo of the product, and once the product is not in a good shape, then we have to courier them the sample again. Now we
Yeah.
make a beautiful video of the product demo and we send
And
it on the app. We are so efficient, and the sales guy says, "See, look at this video. I'm giving you the video. You look at it at your home. I will come tomorrow morning to collect the order." So this is how the business has evolved. So
mm.
I think the business is good. My business is affected because we are more towards the school and coffee stationery products
And they
like
have the business yet, yes.
restaurants, guys. So this business is a bit affected. But there are a lot of businesses who are doing well after Corona. Now the economy is open.
No, it has. Now it has opened completely.
Although the pandemic is not over, but the economy is still open. So and there are businesses who are doing much better than the pre-COVID era. And
Hmm.
you see the stock market is all at all-time high right
Oh,
now.
hi today. Yes, yes.
So
Also, thanks to the vaccines coming in. Sir, I remember I was talking to a gentleman, I can't remember who it was, and he said, Ki Guinea, but one of the major differences that have come in COVID and post COVID times is India is a very physical relationship market. You know,
yes.
when you go to a seller, you have a relationship. आप अपना जब प्रोडक्ट उसको बेच रहे हो, you are reading his body language, you know how to approach a person. Now, when you're doing it on virtually, that connect goes away to a certain extent. So a lot of people who are very heavily into sales and have spent so many years, they say that it's a little tough now because virtually I can't read you as well.
Yeah.
I'm not observing you, I'm not seeing, and that's a problem. Is your industry also looking at that as a problem? And is that a genuine problem or have we gotten over it?
it is more to do with your actual comfort, your own self comfort.
Mm-hmm.
The business is always done on either emotion or the need of the profitability. So
Hmm.
if the profitability is same, then you make the decision on on purely on the emotion. So it's right that the emotion cannot be evoked
Hmm.
so brilliantly as you go together, and you when you're sitting there, you are if you and your competitor are offering the same deal, then you are sitting there and then your relationship works.
Yeah.
You say कि भाई अभी मैं बैठा हूँ तो मैं ऑर्डर लेके ही जाऊंगा आपके पास से, and you just impress the guy in some in whatever way you are trained at.
Yeah.
uh, that is definitely missing. But
No, no.
the businesses where you are better off in terms of a deal, you are able to showcase it now in a much better way because of the digital mediums, because you
Hmm.
are able to send them comparative charts, PDFs, videos to give them experiences, and they can watch it on WhatsApp when they are actually free. So you can just send them a WhatsApp, and you don't expect them to
At
see it
their own convenience. Yeah.
time when they're busy doing the transactions, so they
Hmm.
can read up to you. So I have done it because we had no choice. We did it. We made so many videos and we sent all across to our 25,000 retailers, and you will be surprised, we got calls and messages at the odd hours, morning hours, late evenings,
Because वो
and
अपनी convenience के हिसाब से हाँ.
दिखते थे, and we used to get a lot of orders through that. So we have decided to set up a call center just to make sure that we service our dealers in a much better way. So frequency of visit was like once a month through the salesperson. Now
Hmm.
through the call center, the frequency of visit would be in a
Much
week.
more.
Yeah.
Is much more. So you have overcome it. I like that, sir. So ये तो हो गई business की बात है. बताओ what are the things that you like doing? Now you've had spare time. In the last 7 months, you have to have had more spare time than you've ever had. What are the things that you enjoy doing now?
Spare
Not
time.
work related.
What is spare time? I don't know.
Still,
Seriously. Seriously.
I
I
know, sir.
I don't know what is spare time. I am always thinking about the work and ideating or some new idea, because our
Yeah,
business, I designed the business in such a way that we have to continuously evolve and bring out the new useful products. So
yeah, because
whenever I have the time, now
you're thinking,
my favorite is Google or Amazon, where I look forward कि और दुनिया में क्या बिक रहा है और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. So this is the only hobby that I have, and I enjoy it immensely.
it's been a pleasure, and I hope that you work really hard and your 50% business share also comes back really fast, sir.
Thank you so much, Guinea.
Pleasure, sir.